Criminal liability, I always say not to worry because you are protected by the law. Never ever get worried if you get a police calls or if you get someone from the police, because that is all the procedure aspect. You're not going to get arrested. You are safeguarded by the law because of the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment. In civil court, never ever get worried, my friend. Be in peace if you got a good professional indemnity policy. Have a good professional indemnity policy that is going to save a lot. Yes, medical legal expert services are need of the hour because they will help you for pre-litigation. They will see that case should not go to the court of law. They will help you to audit your medical records. They will help you to do everything, including the answering of notices. So your case will not go to the court of law. That is the beauty of medical legal expert services. Let me tell you very proudly, I say that out of 20,000 issues, not even 0.1% has gone to the court of law. Timely help, timely knowledge sharing can help my doctor a lot. You just need to upgrade your medical record with the guidance of experts. Not only that, during litigation, suppose surgical death has happened, delivery death has happened, cesarean death has happened, hysterectomy death, call your medical legal expert, exchange your medical records, make it foolproof, discuss with them how to handle the scenario situation, how to handle the mob, what need to be done. Because almost in every gynec practice, I found that death is of younger lady only. It could be 22 years, 23 years, 27 years. So all young lady died during delivery. And that is the sensitive part. How and what need to be. We need to be very careful. Let me share the case of Mahad. I have taken a bail of the person who are involved in this, where BMS doctor was alleged to do a MTP. There was allegation done that he has first given a tablet and thereafter he has done the procedure in room, and which led to incomplete abortion. Patient got admitted to Sassoon Hospital, where MLC was done by Sassoon Hospital because it is accidental case. They have done the procedure because of missed abortion. It was incomplete abortion. And MLC, the police officer who came, have taken a statement from the lady, and lady very honestly said that my husband has taken me for male-female detection, the sex detection. And we all know that how PCP Act is. And then I've been to this doctor who has done without my consent. And then, of course, 313 got applied, causing miscarriage without woman's consent, 10 years punishment non-bailable. 315 got applied, causing a death of quick child. With other sections, I have taken the bail of the guy who was booked under PCP for sex determination. I got a bail of lady, the wife of the doctor, the BMS, who remained for almost 5 months. And the BMS doctor is still in jail from last 8 months. They have approached, probably I filed a case in High Court to take out. But scenario is different, my friend. When you are not allowed to do something, you need to really take care of all this. Because where and what is going to go wrong, you don't know. You don't know. And this is going to be the tough time because people are watching, youngsters are watching, youngsters knows. They Google information world made easy for all the people. You talk about ectopic, they will have all ectopic knowledge. You talk about anything, they will have all the knowledge. They will go on YouTube, they will find everything and they will come and discuss with you. You need to be very careful what you are doing. I've got a young number of cases in gynec and ART practice, my friend. My humble request that have experts on the fingertip, call them, discuss with them, handle situation during litigation and post-litigation. Of course, my advocates are very good, but they struggle with the terminologies, my friend. They don't know asphyxia and hypoxia. They don't know neurotoxicity and nephrotoxicity. How and what need to be written, they don't know about that. In such a cases, my humble request that please call your experts, audit your medical record, post-litigation, let them draft, let them argue, you will win the case. I know a case where for naturally inducing a delivery, the hormone injection was given to the patient. The limited 2 ampule was prescribed by the gynecologist. In absence of a gynecologist, without her knowledge, 4 or 5 ampules was put to do a delivery earlier, to avoid a midnight delivery. Bachu came with some brain hypoxia, little damage. The young couple gone to the net to find out what could be the reason. The paper which they have got from hospital as a medical record, where Indian register, they have maintained number of injection given. Some doctors commented that there is an overdose of injection. and only on the basis that they filed 1 crore compulsory case. So even overdose of an injection which leaded to complication, law says that if FDA has said something, you need to follow. So it is absolute. So my humble request to all my doctors here to please have a good professional indemnity policy, preferably from government insurance. I said Dr. Ress has tied up with the New India. You can trust on them. You will find such. Have a good error omission policy, that is hospital policy, which can safeguard you on all civil liabilities. Have a medical legal experts. Even defamation notice can be sent to these people through your medical legal experts. Someone want to defame you and disrepute you, tell your medical legal expert, they will send a defamation notice, they will file a defamation criminal case under IPC 499, 500. Take action against these people, they will remove the blog. I have done multiple cases. Send a recovery notice if at all patient has not paid you. In a year, we lose lots of money, 5 to 10 lakhs rupees. Tell these people to send a notice. They are there to send a notice. At least 50% will come and give the payment, or at least some amount will be recovered. When you are getting these services free of charge, why not opt for that? So I have a medical legal expert to help you. Have a medical legal services, have a professional indemnity policy, have a remuneration policy, upgrade your knowledge, communicate with your paramedical staff, and maintain your medical record. These all can really help you to safeguard yourself. And I will recommend again that if you got any question, ask me. If you get a call from any of the person, please entertain them, provide your feedback, how you, and if at all any new topic you wanted to learn during the continuous medical education by Doctors Risk, demand that we will help you to understand new topic also. For any topic, let it be ART, IVF, or whatever you want, we can talk on that. You will have an ample knowledge of that by listening to the sessions like today. I'm sure something new must have been learned by you. Entertain them, ask them if at all any questions are there in your mind so that they can help you in that regard. And if you want a professional indemnity policy or remuneration policy, ask them, they will help you in that. So I open the forum for question answer. If at all anything is there for you to answer, some questions are there in chat box, let me, or QA box, let me answer for you. Some anonymous attendee has asked, hello sir, what will be the scope of doing PG diploma in medical legal law for the doctor? What will be the future career option for doctor in medical legal field? I am interested in same. My friend, I'll tell you, Global Institute of Value Society runs a course for medical legal consultant, and I will definitely advise you to go. It is not going to help you for safeguarding yourself, but you can also safeguard n number of doctors around you, and you can start a career in that. Every hospital under NABH are going to need a medical legal expert on their hospital panel. So you can be impaneled with various hospitals. You can also train a paramedical staff and open a new domain. You can also appear in quasi-judicial body like Consumer Court and Medical Council for medical negligence case. You also can start your consultation in medical legal. There's a huge scope in a field of medical legal because supply and demands are very less. So I will definitely recommend go to gives.co.in or gives.org.in. You will find such courses offered by Global Institute. I am the one of the instructor there. I'll definitely help you with understanding of criminal liability in form of IPC, Evidence Act and CRPC, Complete Consumer Protection Act, drafting documentation, answering on notices, appear in court of law, and definitely for medical counsel. So you're going to learn everything. There's a huge scope. You can start your career, part-time career or full-time career in the field of medical legal. Dr. Gopika has asked, does DNC done for spontaneous abortion, belated OM, no cardiac activity, comment under MTP Act, and do we? See, I'll tell you, Gopika, for safe side, you can take MTP consent, but let me tell you, I have argued on matter only on the ground of MTP. For enlightening all my gynecologists here, let me tell you the mean of MTP. MTP full form is medical termination of pregnancy. And when you take a pregnancy word, pregnancy means the live child or live conception. So when you talk about no heart activity, no cardiac activity, then definitely it is a foreign body. It is not a child. So it cannot be said to be terminating a pregnancy. So it can only be said that it is DNC. So consent definitely needed to be taken, but not necessarily MTP. But since if you don't have evidentiary proof of that in form of sonography of still or any other, then it is better to be safe by taking MTP consent also. So MTP consent is needed where termination of pregnancy is done. Pregnancy means live fetus. So when there is no live, then it is not MTP. Dr. Gopika has asked again, patient was MTP pill outside and comes to the hospital for evacuation or income. Does the hospital have to do under the MTP Act? My friend, again, the answer is same because it is incomplete abortion means life is not there. So naturally, it does not come under MTP. Yes, if it is life is there, I will definitely advise you. And yes, as I shared the case of Pune, Sassoon Hospital, being a medical accident, it is mandatory for you to inform a police because MLC means wherever accident comes to you in your knowledge. So medical accident where MTP tablets was given as a medical accident. For safer side, you need to do MLC. If you don't want to, choice is yours. But law says that being a medical accident, you need to inform a police like Sassoon has done, and the case got registered against the people. So any more questions, if at all any audience has got, they can raise your hand and ask the question also, or they can put on a question answer box. I will try to read and answer you. If not there, not to worry. You can contact doctors as people. If they are going to call you, they will definitely reach you. They will send a Google form for feedback. Ask your question in Google form. You will be answered through email or SMS or WhatsApp. Or you can tell any guy your questions. You will be answered. Not only that, tell them that you are interested in medical legal tips for continuous education. So they will send you the medical legal tips also. They will send you the leaflets, pamphlets, videos for your knowledge upgradation. So with this, I really thank you all for being with me in this afternoon. And I am thanked that almost every people remain for an hour. That shows that how much you are interested in safeguarding yourself. And thank you very much, my friend. And we will meet again for a new topic whenever required, wherever required. Yes, so questions is cropped up in question answer box. Let me answer for you that Mohan has asked if an unmarried minor is pregnant and her parent gives consent for MTP within stipulated period, but don't want to launch a complaint against the accused, what to do? You cannot avoid, my friend Mohan. Let me tell you, the new law, the Prevention of Sexual Offense Against a Child will come in a picture because POSCO law has considered 18 years as an adult age, below 18 years is a minor, and it very clearly said that if one comes across or suspect sexual offense against the child, they are mandated to inform a police. So here, since you came across that she is pregnant and you are going to terminate, that means you are having a knowledge that sexual offense has happened. You are legally bound to inform police even if at all parent says no. Please share your form detail. Yes, Mohan, I am allowing to talk. You can speak also. And about form detail, I'll tell someone to call you and help you in that respect. And I'm allowing to talk. You can speak also, Mohan. No problem. So thank you very much, my friend, for being with me. And since there's no question, I stop here and we will meet again whenever we come with a new topic. We will inform you and we can connect and discuss. Thank you very much.